So we should start with this here. Hey guys, and welcome to another day of me trading the Nasdaq, or rather today, only tape reading. I will not trade today, but only analyze price action. I would say we jump immediately into the charts. So we basically have, let's start with the weekly here. Yeah, basically on the weekly, we have a wick which filled the whole body of the last weekend. And also currently we have a volume imbalance here. And I do think we will let this one open. I mean, we had the high impact news today already. So it should be possible for us to, if price gives me something really clear, something really obvious, I would take the trade, but I wouldn't take a trade just for reasons when I think it will go there. Like it has to be really obvious to make me take a trade today. We took out this low here, but we will go into this in the daily. And yeah, basically, if we retrace, I want to see how price is reacting on the 1 week conquer encouragement of this week. And from there on, I will see how price is doing. On the daily, we basically, like that's what I talked about. We have this short-term low here, which we have taken out here. And right now we retrace, and I want to see how price is. Oh, now you got me. It's the 18,603, 18,603. Yeah, it's this the same. So I want to see 18,603. Yeah, basically somewhere around here, there is the weekly conquer encouragement of the wick, and you see we have a daily conquer encouragement down here. So I do think that we will go somewhere in between this level, and from there on I want to see how price is reacting. I would like to see price going into this volume imbalance here, but yeah, as I said, I'm not sure if price is willing to do that. So let me put my chair a bit up right now. There we go. I'm not sure if price is willing to do that. So yeah, this is my draw right now for today. Let's see how this plays out. Let's jump to the 4-hour chart. Here as well, we have a huge wick. I do think we will retrace to a certain point, and we have this here, which is way too clean for me, and this buy side here, we haven't took this out since here, like this whole buy side is still in play. I do think we will have a measure of a retracement here. Um, this is the daily volume imbalance, it's the same level. You can see it here on both charts. So I would like to see it wicking into it. I don't need price to really go above it or stay inside of the range. I just want a quick reaction, and that's it. Like that would be perfectly fine. I wouldn't need something to come on. That's yeah, I got you. I don't need it to go somewhere up here or up here. I would just need it to go through this volume imbalance here. So yeah, let's have a look on the hourly. Oops. Where is our ship? 19,120. Yeah, somewhere here there is our volume imbalance. So I would like to see price touching this breaker. And there we go again. That's what I thought it will do yesterday before we go lower. So we need to be a bit in a hurry because I'm late. I'm late. And yeah, let's jump to the 5 minute, 50-minute chart. But before we do that, I want to tell you I eyeballed this one, and I want to see how price is reacting on the counter encouragement of it. I want to see it having an easy time going through it to my level where I want to see price. So let's take our 15-minute chart. There we go. That's wrong. I had some business to do before I was able to put this in the right way. There we go. There's just a midnight open missing, and I think the opening range isn't correct as well. So that's the okay. Midnight open. Hold on, why is my connection so freaking bad? Let me try something. I hope it's better now. At least it should be. With my Wi-Fi turned off, just with alarm. So this is our midnight open, which is perfectly fine. And what else is missing? The opening range gap. This is from Wednesday close. This is here. There we go. Let's see. It's still above this. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice level for a low. Oh my gosh. I really wish we go there. Oh my God. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. And if price is giving me on some of these indices inversion, oh man, I would ride this wave. So freaking bad. That's wrong. I'm not prepared. I was late, and that's why I wasn't prepared to make the stream. I was in a hurry, and so I wasn't able to do that. Come on. Mm, 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 mm. Is this the right one? Yeah. There we go. So let's go. No, somehow my connection is very bad. I don't know what's wrong here. That's so crazy. Anyway, it is what it is. Mm. All right, so what I would like to see is price going lower, going below this low here, and then rising from there. I will take that, although we don't have a higher time frame key level at this point. But I only would do it with a breaker, otherwise I would not. Price isn't really trying to catch the opening range gap. So we don't really have anything here except of our first presented fair gap. It's 10 points. That's pretty good. So I will not do anything until we not take out this low. And after we took out this low, I want to see some kind of retracement. And if we don't go above it, above this level again, or some other level we get to see later, I will not go in. So I'm looking right now if I can find my live stream because um, since yesterday somehow I don't get any more views. But I don't know why. And it makes absolutely sense because I can't find my stream here. But why? Tell me why. That's pretty strange. Where am I? Where is this? Hmm. 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 Something is strange here because it's not even showing that I'm live, which it should do. It should do that. YouTube plays with me. I don't like that. Even if I put in the whole title, am I shadow banned? How? How can someone be shadow banned? How is this even possible? What the fuck? There I am! Oh, that's an old one. Hmm. Hold on. If someone is live, isn't then the... Yeah, it is. So if I go to Tanya and I click on her profile, yeah, it shows that she's live. Why isn't it my case? So I don't get it. I immediately come to her video. So if I go to my profile, all right, let me try it with another one. Let me try it with this one. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's showing that I'm live. Okay, I have no idea. Maybe I have to change something. I see. I see. I have the wrong topic. I should have something with NFP. Well. I see the reason here. I got it. Okay, doesn't matter. As long as we know what's the problem. put my earbuds out. Like this, and I like that, and I like this. Like this, and I like that, and I like this. I like this, and I like that, and I like this. And I like that, and I like this. Like this, and I like that, and I like this. Okay. So, next time, do a better topic. Uh, including non-farm payroll. Ah. All right. Anyway, anyhow, let's go on. Let's go on. So we have price not even able to hit the 0.618 level. Mm. We go higher here. Let's see. Hmm. What do we think about this? So we are about to hit the first presented fair value gap here. I want to see how price is reacting from there. In 2 minutes, or rather in 1 minute and 20 seconds, we're entering the macro. Oh, shit. I have so dry hands, it's unbelievable. This weather is driving my skin crazy. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, it's weekend, we hate it. Ah, yeah, we need the week, not the weekend. Not the weekend. Mm. Let's see the heat map. Oh, whew. Oh, this is hot. This is spicy. Oh my gosh, this is wow. What? What? Wow. Okay. I will consider my thought going long. I will rethink my thought with going long. Oh, damn. This is wow. What? How? That's crazy. Oh man, want to see a bloodbath? Down, down, down. Oh, oh my God, Paul is speaking in not even 2 hours, in 1.5 hours. Oh man. Oh man, the dang, the dang, the dang, the dang, the dang, the dang, the dang. So basically, we probably not do anything, I guess. So price is able to go above this level. At least it peaked above it. Let's see where it's closing. So it seems that we are not really able to close above this level. This goes hand in hand with the heat map. If this builds a fair value gap now, I would take that. I would take that short. If it's not just ripping lower without me. Basically, I would use this breaker here as soon as we smash below it and re-enter the level. So let's make this a bit wider. Yeah, I think it will go just lower without me. I don't think it will give me my entry. Unfortunately. So touch the breaker right now. We need just a bit more. A bit more. Come on. There we go. Now now I'm gonna take profit down here. Oh wow. How the fuck? Well, that's gonna take me out. Why? That was a strong move. Holy cow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Hmm. Yeah, no doubt. This is gonna take me out right now. There we go. It's okay. Maybe I will reverse this one to the half point. Like this. Let's see. If I get a strong reaction from the um, first return offer value gap, I would take it. Otherwise, I would just leave it. With the loss. Not even touched it yet. Nah, I will stick. I will stay on the sidelines after this loss. That's enough for me. I'm not learning it with NFP. It's pretty stupid. But honestly, this move was surprising to me though. I mean, it's fair value gap was inside of the macro, and I don't get why it inverted here. Anyway, how much I'm allowed to go and draw down anymore here? Basically, it will go to my take profit right now. 100% sure about that. Seems like I was the uh, liquidity grab there. And it's try to wait. On the other hand, we respect the SMA 7 here, very strong. But it's again the same thing I always say: huge wicks and not respecting the higher time frame key levels is something I shouldn't be part of, but I am. Yeah, that's good. Like 2,000 more. That's okay. It's okay. It's all right. 1.5K, that's a lot. The sideways trading is so annoying. Every time. Below 300K, above 300K. Below 300K, above 300K. It's like a endless loop. Endless loop of break even. Nice reaction there after we inverted. If we go below the SMA 7 and close below it, pretty sure that we will hit the target I outlined before, but we have to close below the SMA 7, otherwise it's not strong enough and not weak enough. So just for the idea itself, how much would this be in? It's like this. Mhm. Yeah, we will go there right now. That sucks. That sucks. We will re-enter the fair value gap, which is an inversion level, like basically 3 inverted level. And then we will just smash lower. And I do think we will do smash lower within the macro within the next 3 minutes. I think the next candle will go a bit to the upside before it completely rapes this chart to the downside. Maybe YouTube shadow banned me because of my insults. Hmm? Possible. Anyway, so I do think this candle will uh, go into a fair value gap. And if not, it has to smash below the breaker. And then the very next candle should either retest the breaker if we smash below it, or just smash lower if we go into a fair value gap right now. And it looks like we close below the breaker. So we just smash lower. There it is. This is so fucked up. Yeah, but it makes sense. I need to take that. So this would have been my take profit. And I still don't like, I do understand why price has made this move to the upside, but what I don't understand is why do the real tomorrow fair value from today just to retrace lower afterwards again? I don't get it. Right now we basically have these relative equal highs here. And these railroad tracks here. Unusual, in my opinion. But we have to take it. I, not we. I have to take that. That's okay. We made it below the short-term low. First short-term low after opening. Yeah, I think we will just rip lower until we violate the low on the 50-minute time frame. And as soon as we do that, we probably go higher then and make some reversal in the PM session or also maybe in the 11 o'clock retracement hour. It's so annoying when you're right with your idea, but it takes you out and then goes into your direction. And to be honest, I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change a thing. For me, it was so obvious that we go lower because we had, oh, we weren't touched it. We haven't touched it. But here we touched it and we stepped through and then we closed below it, which is weakness. The very next candle wasn't even able to go into it, and then we fell short, which is weak as well. And then we made a move higher above it just to smash down lower. I mean, I get it. It's the macro, and the macro takes out some higher time frame key level, but this could have been that also. I don't get this move here. I should have just re-entered, but that's against my rules. What is right? What is wrong? Ah. Seeing price going into your direction after you've been stepped out, That's another level of crazy. And even like I have another tactic of putting my stop loss higher of higher than I've done it. And that's 2x, like the same range of the first reaching market value gap, again above it and the high of it. But even that would have been taken out. Ah, yeah. So even the high of the fair value gap would have been violated. And this one, that was that. No, that was too much. I mean, I entered at 190. And that's 50 points. That's not that much. I should have taken that. Should I? No, I want to reduce my risk. I want to reduce my risk. I have to reduce my risk, and maybe if I'm wrong and price takes me out and goes lower, I have to re-enter. I don't think that making a bigger risk is the solution to losing money. I think I have to lower the risk and take it. That's crazy. We learn, we do things wrong, we improve, we get better day by day. Or not. Who knows? Who knows this? I would love some Big Mac. Uh, I get the idea. I get the idea of price going lower and then higher. So I'm very curious about to see if this is it, and if we go lower now, but I don't think so. I really do think we will go higher. This is so annoying that it took me out and then moved into my direction. We even had the breaker. Let me put it like this. We even had the breaker because we had this here as a low, like high, low, higher high, lower low. And then basically this could have been the retest and then smashing lower, but instead it just moved higher and not lower. Oh, stupid. That was stupid. I would take the trade the same way I did it before again. But I think at some point we go higher to take out this level here, at least this level here. Um, I really think that. I really do believe this. So I want to see how price is reacting at the real time after Vega, but I don't think we will reach it again. I do think price will hit the oh it hit oh it, yeah, it already hit the breaker, so I do think we will just go lower from here again. It was just a small retest, and I think we will see price hitting the 5-minute low. I want to go in so bad, but that's wrong. It's wrong. I'm just at this point because I violated the rules, so I shouldn't have traded at NFP. I won't make it worse, and even if I'm right, it would be against the rules. Not even that much anymore. It's just like 100 points. You know what? Fuck it, I risk it. I mean, in the end, to be honest, I just make a new account and that's it. Power speaking. Oh man, I have to go out. Paul speaking, I forgot that. At least we made 100 bucks back. Paul speaking, and I took the trade earlier. Oh my god, how can someone be so stupid? Why have I forgot that? I talked about it like 10 minutes before I started the stream. Makes no sense. Damn. This is so crazy. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? It's one thing to be so stupid to trade news, yeah, and be aware of the fact that you trade news, but it's a complete another story to trade news, knowing that news are, but forgetting it, although you talked a few minutes before about it. That's me. That's me. There we go. I have just adjusted some levels on the weekly because I can not stand it when levels are overlapping just a bit and you can't really read it. But yeah, if Powell wouldn't speak, I would say we will take out the low. Like we could do it regardless, but there is a bit more volatility in it with him speaking. So we go lower. In fact, he could have stayed just in, but let's put it that way because it wasn't safe at all. Now we go higher a bit. Could be again some weird price where we smash higher. So I will end the stream here. Um, you probably hear it. The dog is driving crazy again. So I will leave it with good here. And I will be Monday here at Monday. We don't really have news. I will be, regardless, I will be Monday. How is next week? Oh, we don't have, oh man, next week is really boring. We just have CPI at Thursday and PPI on Friday. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there is not really anything except of Wednesday FOMC minutes and two, but nothing in the AM. So I will be here Monday 9:15 a.m. because I do not expect some wild price action here. So if Monday something tasty appears beforehand, I will go in earlier, but it seems like It will not. So, yeah, have a nice weekend. I hope you have a good trading. And one more thing I see right now, it's this wonderful inversion here. That's beautiful. It indicates to us that we go lower, so we probably will hit the 822 level right now. I really believe that, or at least this midpoint here, 865. But yeah, this is simply beautiful. It's unbelievable beautiful. So yeah, have a nice weekend and also have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.